This video is dedicated to my mom. She's one special lady. My mom and my grandparents had a summer home on Cape Cod. We would walk to the end of the road to Periwinkle Beach, stick our feet in the sand and dig up quahogs. The beach was directly across from Washburn Island. From the house, you could hear the halyards clanking on the sailboat masts. In the morning, we would pick wild blueberries for pancakes. So last week, my mom comes home with this giant-sized, fresh-cooked lobster. She asked me to make her some lobster salad. I said, "Sure, Moms, you're the best, and you deserve lobster every day." And here's how I made it. Start by removing the claws and then the tail. Then crack or cut the shells to remove the meat. I love sailing and I've always wanted to be a pirate because it runs in my blood. My mom's side of the family is related to pirate Edward Jordan. You can look it up. It's on Wikipedia. Then remove all the legs. You can use a rolling pin or a wine bottle to squeeze the meat out of the legs. Chop the meat any way you want. I left it on the chunky side because it's going to be served on top of lettuces. Chop some celery, sweet red pepper, then some Vidalia onion. Add some chopped capers and you're almost done. Oh, and don't forget to add some dill pickle. Add a splash of lemon juice. Then fine sea salt and fresh cracked black pepper. I'm using homemade avocado oil mayo. Add some freshly chopped Italian flat leaf parsley. I would normally use fresh dill, but this will have to do. This is the last of my homegrown dried dill. Now it's time to plate it. Add some lettuce to your bowl and top it with the lobster salad. I added some sliced avocado on the side. This one's for you, Mom. You are the best. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.